The importance of clients loving your website rather than you loving it lies in the fundamental purpose of a website: to attract, engage, and retain customers or users. Here's why prioritizing the client's perspective is crucial. Customer-centric focus. A website exists to serve its users or customers. If the website doesn't resonate with them or fails to meet their needs, it's essentially ineffective. Prioritizing the client's perspective ensures that the website is designed with their preferences, interests, and behaviors in mind. User experience (UX) optimization. Client satisfaction is closely tied to the user experience offered by the website. When clients love the website, it indicates that they find it easy to navigate, visually appealing, and functional. Positive user experiences lead to higher engagement, increased time spent on the site, and higher conversion rates. Driving conversions. Ultimately, the success of a website often depends on its ability to drive conversions, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a service, or simply engaging with the content. If clients love the website, they're more likely to take the desired actions, leading to better business outcomes. Building trust and loyalty. A website that resonates with clients helps build trust and credibility for the brand or business. When clients feel understood and valued through their interactions with the website, they are more likely to return and become loyal customers. Competitive advantage. In a crowded online landscape, standing out and capturing the attention of potential clients is essential. A website that clients love can be a powerful differentiator, helping to distinguish a business from its competitors and attract new customers. Feedback and iteration. Prioritizing the client's perspective encourages feedback, which can be invaluable for iterative improvements to the website. By listening to client preferences and addressing their pain points, businesses can continuously refine and enhance the website to better serve their audience. In essence, while it's essential for website creators to take pride in their work, the ultimate measure of success is how well the website meets the needs and preferences of its intended audience. Prioritizing the client's perspective ensures that the website remains effective, relevant, and competitive in today's digital landscape.